Hi everyone, today we are doing AccuTite and Morpheus on our beautiful client Rosa. So a big question that we always get asked is it going to hurt? So I'm going to let you go ahead and start with your nitrous. We like to use laughing gas for our procedures so you can have a great experience. So the first part of the procedure is that I'm going to put numbing. The numbing liquid will make it so that you actually, on a scale of 1 to 10 for pain, you'll feel a 0. So now we're all numbed up. You can see that she has some whiteness. The whiteness is actually going to keep her from bruising and keep any bleeding down. And so we're about to do AccuTite. AccuTite is very special because it's a little teeny tiny cannula. So what that means for you, and the cannula is going to go just like this. And what we can do is we can target areas of stubborn fat, or little pockets of fat without any scarring and very little downtime and no pain. So why do we want to treat jowls with the AccuTite laser? The reason is that sometimes we find that even when we put filler for the jawline, we still have this little stubborn piece of sagging skin and fat. And you will find that as you get older, everyone has a jowl, and the reason is that fat from the deep cheek compartment falls down to here, and also the neck becomes more lax, and so then you get this hanging piece that no one likes, and everyone in the mirror always asks me if they can do this. So AccuTite is a way that we can do this with more permanent results than threads. This patient came asking to me about jowls. However, I want to make sure that because I really care about how she looks as a whole, I'm going to treat her jowl, but I'm going to take the extra time and the step to also blend her neckline. So it's similar to putting on makeup. You wouldn't basically just do blush. You want to make sure that the whole area goes together. So that's basically the GoodSkin experience. We're going to look for the details. We're going to make sure everything blends, and we're going to tailor it exactly to her. Okay, so we just finished one side, and you can see that there's literally only one little poke in her skin, which is really fascinating because it kind of looks like it might be invasive, but see how tiny the little poke is, so she'll have no scars. And what will happen now is we just have to be patient and wait for results. So one of the things that I've seen not go well with AccuTite at other clinics is either sometimes a client doesn't get the results that they were looking for. What I've found with AccuTite is that you really have to deliver enough energy to get that tightening result. And delivering enough energy has to do with patience and mindfulness, because this treatment can take a little bit of time. And so you want to just choose a practitioner that you feel is going to give you a very thorough and detailed experience and a treatment at that. The other thing is, you want to choose a practitioner that has a really good understanding of anatomy. So I'm one of the few experts that does AccuTite as a physician assistant, and that's because I'm certified in liposuction. And one of the things that you learn as an expert in anatomy is that there is a nerve that runs right here and connects to the mouth. And we want to be very respectful of that nerve, because that nerve can cause a little bit of lip asymmetry. And so that's one thing that as I'm treating my model here, that I'm aware to basically respect the nerve, respect anatomy, and yet give her a really good result. So results will take about 3 to 6 months to start to really show, because that's how long it takes for your body to form new collagen and also to dissolve the fat. Full results will be at a year. However, a lot of our clients decide to come in for a touch-up treatment or a second treatment between month 3 to month 6. Because this has less downtime than traditional liposuction or even a facelift, she'll basically just have some swelling, and that will be all for the next few weeks, and no scars, and that's it. So part of the GoodSkin experience that I've been immensely proud of is that we all, as practitioners here, focus on the details and focus on tailoring our treatment to every individual client. So when you're ready to come to our clinic and experience a completely customized and tailored visit that's unique to you, we really look forward to hosting you.